Good evening, folks. Here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2014 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI police pursuit vehicle with 110,000 miles and only 1180 idle hours. Once again, 2014 Dodge Charger PPV with 110,000 miles and only 1180 idle hours. Former Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle, original, midnight blue from factory. The vehicle does appear to be black, but it is not. It is blue from factory, original. Vehicle does have scratches. Vehicle does have about 3 door dings. That's all I was able to count. This vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Let me stop right here, folks. The vehicle does have a window tint from the department that appears to be like a light shade all around, not too dark, not too light, and you can see right through without a problem. Perfect color combination on this unit here. Once again, folks, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed. I have been driving around this vehicle, so there is nothing wrong with her. There are no repairs that need to be done to her. Why? Because I already done it all. The paint looks great, very sharp, very shiny, very minimal scratches, folks. Very minimal scratches. Let me backtrack right here, folks. You guys gonna see this little ball right here. This is gonna be an LED light that came with the vehicle. I'm leaving it the way it is because if I do remove that, there's gonna be a hole in here, and I don't want to have that. All right, so I'm leaving these alone. Vehicle does have 3 holes. He's gonna have 2 on the roof, right there, where those actual antennas are. 1 on the trunk lid. All right. Those are the actual antennas. However, they are not up and they are just there for looks. That's about it. They are solid, so if you need to drive your car through an express car wash, they are gonna stay put. They're not gonna fly away on you. Folks, some of you guys have seen this car before. However, it's the same car, but I did a couple things to it to improve the look on it. So I did invest more money into it so that I can perfectionize it, and hopefully I can get a customer that wants to go with this particular look. Folks, vehicle does have a nice new set of tires on it from the department, courtesy of the Highway Patrol. Those are going to be the 225 60/18 tires. Once again, those tires are new, very quiet. It's a comfort tire, so you don't hear the road on this vehicle whatsoever. Folks, this vehicle does have a good use set of spotlights with LED bulbs, full assembly spotlights with LED bulbs. Also, I did have a Go Rhino push bar complete assembly installed into the vehicle, and also I did install the new set of OEM headlights. That is correct, new set of OEM headlights on this vehicle here. The ones that came with the car, they were okay, but a little bit oxidated. I tried cleaning them up and they went back to looking ugly, so I knew better than that, so I went ahead and I ordered a new set of headlights. Once again, those are OEM, original equipment. Light bulbs were also replaced on the headlights. On the light bulbs for the headlights, I did went with the Sylvania Silver Star, which is a brighter light bulb, especially if you're doing night driving. It's got one thing right there. It's got another one right here, and there's a very small one on the other side. That was all I was able to see. Once again, folks, this is the same vehicle that I had for sale previously on eBay. So if you see it come up, don't freak out. I did install a good use Rhino push bar, new OEM headlights, and I've also adjusted the center console. I found out what was wrong with it, and you're not gonna believe it. All right, let's go inside because the clock is ticking. I do want to make sure I cover everything with you guys again. All 4 steel wheels are nice and glossy from factory, so from the department actually. I did not have to recondition the wheels. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Everything is in place. I do have a matching rear seat in the back. Vinyl flooring on this unit. Ventag is in place. Once again, vinyl floor. Driver's side seat is very comfortable. It's still very comfortable. It's still in comfortable shape. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Folks, the vehicle does have a new use full center console. When I first got the car in, there was nothing in place. I made a few phone calls, and one of the guys that I deal with, he had a full center console, so I went and took it out and I installed it on this unit. Nice steering wheel. The texture is very nice. Honk does work. Let's go inside. Folks, I do have one key that came with the car. One regular key that came with the car. One key fob. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights are up. Let me see if I can get you guys to see that. Actual miles on the unit, on this unit, is 110,640 with 1180 idle hours. That is about it. Once again, folks, this was a state trooper take-home unit. So those units are usually in the best shape than the regular ones that stay back in the department in the agency. LED lights to work, and that is a hidden feature that I found here. So if you click it once, LED comes up, the white LEDs. If you double click it, you get the red. Okay, this is pretty neat. It's only on the driver's side. Passenger side, it's a regular bulb, so it will not flash like this. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Red LED, white LED. Stereo does work, folks. You can control everything right from here. Let me clean this up here for you guys. You can control everything from the screen or from the steering wheel right here. Air conditioner is super cold. Sorry, air conditioner is super cold. Stereo, all 4 speakers do work. Let's go to the trunk and the hood real quick, folks. I got a lot of ground to cover. Honk does work. I already did show that to you guys. Center console is intact. All right, so I did fix the issue with the side panels that I had. The side panels that came with the first one that I got, they were the wrong ones. They were for a Chrysler 300, so they were shorter and smaller and would not fit on the Charger. I went on eBay and I got the right application for this console, and I fixed it. Full spare tire kit in the trunk. What you see is what you're gonna get, guys. Vehicle does have a fresh new battery in the trunk as well. Fresh new battery in the trunk. I do apologize, but I gotta hurry it up here for you guys. Before I forget, folks, the vehicle does have new front heavy duty brakes and rotors. Whatever the VIN number called out for, that's what I put in here. When I was doing the inspection of the vehicle, I noticed that the front brakes were about 50%, and the rotors were below specs. So I went ahead and replaced the rotors and gave you new brakes. So yes, new front brakes and rotors. The rear rotors and brakes are about 80%. Nothing wrong with those. I went ahead and left those alone. All right, folks, this is gonna be a 5.7 HEMI. Starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. I do have 16 new OEM irradiator and spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done on this one. Transmission was also serviced on this unit, and I did use the Mopar ATF Plus 4 fluid and filter kit. I will not use anything else on the 722.6 transmission, which is found on this vehicle right here. All fluids were topped off. The vehicle does have a new thermostat that I put in there. They usually come with 203 degrees. Gates makes one that's 190. Helps the car run a little bit cooler, so there's no problem with having that in there. So it takes water a little bit sooner than 203. Once again, new thermostat, dry built, it's in good shape. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Suspension is nice and tight. Folks, let me tell you, the vehicle is nice and fast, very strong, and also smooth. Okay, very quiet ride, and it's also very intimidating going down the road. Folks, before I forget, the vehicle does have a brand new cabin filter as well, which is over there. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. And before I forget, I did perform a BG fuel system cleaning on this engine to clean up the gunk from the fuel lines and whatnot, and make sure the injectors, heads, everything is cleaned out inside that engine for you. Once again, your safety is my priority, folks. I do try to give you the best cars out there, and I'm always making sure that I do set you up for success on the vehicle that you guys are looking for. I will not sell you a nightmare. I will not sell you headaches. There's a reason why I'm behind these there's a reason why I'm behind the wheel of these vehicles day to day, day in and day out, to make sure that there is nothing wrong with them, and if there is, I'm gonna see it, catch it, and fix it. No problem. All right, folks, one last final look at this beautiful 2014 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI police pursuit vehicle. Fully serviced, ready to go, guys. You have to do nothing to this unit but to gas up and go, and of course get it registered to your name. That's about it. Everything else, I took care of it for you. Can you get a cheaper car out there? Yes, you can, but it's not gonna be in this condition, that is for sure. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing out, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. If you have any questions, comments, or if you're interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. You guys have yourself a safe weekend out there. God bless and take care.